How to see Apple Music streams on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Music application on your iPhone. This is the default app for Apple Music. Once the app opens, tap on the radio option, located at the bottom. You will now be on the radio page. Here, you can see and browse various featured stations. You can swipe through the available live shows. Tap on a station you want to listen to. The app will open the player, and the live stream will begin to play. Tap on the player again to bring up the full screen view. Here, you can see the currently playing song's information and use the playback controls. You can pause or play the music by tapping the respective icons, and also adjust the volume using the slider at the bottom. Following these steps, you can easily see Apple Music streams on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.